guys, we're here with Blackstone Betty in
Plant City, Florida. Woo! At CJ's set. We're taking over.
Yes, we are going to make some
quesadillas?
Taco Gobernadores.
What she said.
Yes, these are cod quesadillas that have a little bit of veggies in them. Normally people make them with shrimp, but we're going to change it up today.
I'm excited.
Let's do it. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Start off our quesadilla. We are going to season our bell peppers. So
I get to?
Betty. Yes, please.
Quesadilla?
With what?
I thought it was a Gobernador.
It's a quesadilla.
I feel like you set me up for having no top on this.
Some paprika.
And some Old Bay. Now, Old Bay is my jam. You want me to mix that up? Do we have a spoon? Spoon, CJ?
Spoon. I love how I don't have to tell you how much to put. Just put how much you want.
Well, because you can always put more once it's on the griddle.
Love it.
Do you like the oil before?
Yeah.
Okay, grab the oil. You do your little drizzle.
Ready? We put those on the griddle first because they take a little longer to cook, amigas. We will throw the onion and chile serrano after. For this taco, I'm using cod. I'm gonna season it with paprika, garlic powder, and Old Bay seasoning. It's been a few minutes. The peppers are ready. Now we can add the onion and the chile serrano.
Hey, love you guys. Bye.
We're gonna put the dome over it. That way the veggies get nice and soft. Those are going to take a few minutes, and then we're gonna get to the fish. You already know I need a little bit of oil. Let's add our fish onto the griddle. Betty, how long do you cook cod for? I've never cooked cod before.
She actually did cook cod yesterday with me.
Yeah, you cooked it though.
But it only needs a couple minutes. Not long. Maybe 2, 3, 4 minutes at the most.
All right. So we're cooking the cod for about 2 to 3 minutes. Our veggies are almost ready. We just need to add our cilantro. Betty, can you add the cilantro, please?
I got you. Here. You're gonna save some though for garnishing, right?
Yes.
Right over the top.
Perfect.
I'm gonna take your tortillas, flip them over, and pile them on your melty quesadilla cheese.
And once that's on there, amigas, we could throw on our fish mixture, close it up, and let these crisp a little longer on the griddle.
Karina, I just took a little taste. They taste amazing. But I saw this. When are you gonna add this?
I was supposed to add this, amigas, and actually I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. It's too late to add it.
I say go without it.
Just go without it?
A little lime, that's all.
Let's just add a little lime. Once it's done, we can plate it on this beautiful plate, amigas. We're setting these down, adding some cilantro to garnish. Are you ready for the taste test, Betty?
I cannot wait to dive into
Let's
this. You know I love anything with fish.
To add some lime in here, get that
I can't squeeze it with my broken hand.
I got you.
You know, it'd be awesome if there's other people on set that maybe wanted to buy.
You know what?
No.
Yes, let's call the crew over here. Come on, guys. Let's give these a try.
I'm shocked that CJ is going to eat this cod.
I'm recalibrating
Right,
my
cheers.
palate.
Thank you for having me cook this with you.
Yeah.
Get in
I'm
there.
gonna
cut one of these in half.
Oh, this looks good.
You need lime. You need lime. If you like lime, add some lime. Here you go.
There you go.
I'm ready. I got
This is
Yeah, help me out.
perfect.
Help me out.
teamwork.
There it is. There it is.
This is what I want in the summer.
All right, here we go.
Ready? Cheers. Yeah? Okay. Perfect. There we go.
Perfect.
DJ doesn't normally like fish, and he's eating fish, guys.
I've tried them, you guys.
All right?
You don't even taste fish with cod.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why I like it.
Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Blackstone Products YouTube page. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Hey, love you, bye.
Love you, bye.